does the caste system impact mental health within Hindu communities? The caste system, historically ingrained in Hindu society, has significant implications for mental health within Hindu communities. While the caste system's influence varies by region and is subject to ongoing social and legal changes, its impact on individuals' mental well-being cannot be overlooked. Understanding this impact requires examining the system's social dynamics and the ways in which they affect individuals across different castes. Social hierarchy and discrimination. The caste system divides Hindu society into hierarchical categories, traditionally based on occupation and birth. Despite legal abolishment and social reforms, caste-based discrimination persists in various forms, influencing access to resources, education, employment, and social mobility. Individuals from lower castes, particularly Dalits, previously termed untouchables, often face systemic discrimination and social exclusion, which can lead to chronic stress, lower self-esteem, and heightened vulnerability to mental health issues. Economic disparities and access to care. Caste-based economic disparities significantly impact access to healthcare, including mental health services. Individuals from lower castes may struggle with poverty, limiting their ability to afford quality healthcare or even basic necessities, which can exacerbate mental health issues. Additionally, the stigma associated with both caste and mental health may deter individuals from seeking help, further compounding their distress. Psychological impact of stigma and discrimination. The psychological toll of enduring stigma, discrimination, and social exclusion cannot be understated. Experiences of caste-based discrimination can lead to feelings of worthlessness, isolation, and hopelessness, contributing to anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions. The constant navigation of social barriers and the internalization of societal disdain can severely impact one's self-perception and overall psychological well-being. Intersecting identities. The impact of the caste system on mental health is further complicated by intersecting identities, including gender, socioeconomic status, and religious minority status. Women and individuals from religious minorities within lower castes often face compounded discrimination, leading to increased vulnerability to mental health struggles due to the intersection of caste-based and other forms of discrimination. Social support systems. While the caste system can contribute to mental health disparities, social support systems within caste-based communities sometimes offer a sense of belonging and identity. Close-knit community networks can provide emotional and practical support, mitigating some of the mental health challenges associated with social exclusion. However, this same insularity can sometimes reinforce caste boundaries and stigma. Movements for social justice. Movements challenging caste discrimination and advocating for social justice have positive implications for mental health. Advocacy and activism can empower individuals and communities, fostering resilience, social cohesion, and a collective sense of purpose. Efforts to dismantle caste-based prejudices and promote social equality are crucial in addressing the broader determinants of mental health within Hindu communities. Conclusion. The caste system's legacy continues to influence mental health within Hindu communities through mechanisms of discrimination, stigma, and economic disparity. Addressing the mental health implications of the caste system requires a multifaceted approach, including legal reform, social activism, community support, and increased access to mental health services. By tackling the root causes of caste-based discrimination and fostering a more inclusive society, there is potential for improving mental health outcomes and enhancing the well-being of individuals across all caste backgrounds.